Good evening.
Maybe it's time to let the old ways down. Maybe it's time to let the old ways down.
Just watching you become a musician, it's been a pleasure.
I remember thinking you were always a musician.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, well, all I gotta do is tell you to practice.
Woman, if I tell you that I love you, be okay, 'cause I ain't lying.
Yeah.
No, I ain't lying.
I work with Tim Monick, who's an incredible vocal coach. We spent, months and months working on that voice. I think it lowered it like almost an octave.
Good. Yeah?
I had the sound in my head of what I wanted Jackson's guitar to sound like, and it was heavily influenced by Neil Young. His guitar strumming never floated around the neck, it attacked the neck.
3 years ago, Neil enlisted my band, Promise of the Real, to be his backing band.
It was the first time in my life my eyes have gone from Neil Young playing guitar to somebody else on stage. We were talking about, so who are you going to cast as Jack's band? And I was like, who am I going to cast? No, real musicians, and it's going to be Promise of the Real. That's what's going to be. There is no Jackson, Maine without Lucas Nelson.
I got those Magnatone amps and that 1956 Gibson Les Paul Jr., and that became Jack's sound.
Yep. I would have like a full day of prep, and then at like 2 in the morning, meet these guys at the studio and work till 4.
And we looked like brothers at the we started to look like each other.
Yeah, we started to look like each other.
I remember we wanted to go super country, and then we thought, well, why don't we go rock and roll?
Yeah, Black Eyes was a song that I wrote while we were filming.
I will never forget you coming and being like, I know what the beginning of the movie is.